You massage it onto the tip of your penis, you massage it all over the shaft. You just leave it on. It's absorbed into your skin. It's very pleasant smelling. It doesn't look. In fact, it'll improve the look of your skin immediately on your penis. Flaky skin on your penis. It's very easy to get rid of the dry skin on your penis by understanding one thing first, that this skin condition is caused by a fungus that is growing on the skin of your penis. Now, it's nothing to do with cleanliness. The cleanest penis can have this fungus growing on it, and it's very easy to get rid of it so that the skin on your penis is perfect again. Here, let me show you how to get rid of the dry flaky skin on your penis right now. So this is how you can get rid of dry skin on your penis. Now what tends to happen is you'll get a fungus breeding on the skin on your penis. And if it gets into the skin, it starts to destroy your skin and it looks like dry, flaky skin. And the stuff starts to breed along here and it can affect the appearance of your penis. It's not very pleasant and it can be right on the very end. You can have flaky skin, not just on here, but on the very tip of your penis. So the tip and the shaft. Now, if it breeds, you can see wherever the skin is folded, it's perfect breeding ground, and soon you can have dry flaky skin all over your genitals, and it can come down here in between your legs and then go around the back where your anus is. This stuff will breed all over the place. Now you can, if you go for standard medication, the creams are not usually strong enough. So what they sometimes do then is give you antifungal medication. Now these pills are very strong, and what they do is this: they'll wipe everything out. The antifungal medication wipes everything out. So within a week, it looks like that again. Everything's fine. But then it starts to come back. And it starts to come back because the drugs have weakened your immune system. And it starts to come back in no time at all. You've got dry, flaky skin on your penis, on your balls, around your backside. Only this time it's worse, because you've weakened your system with drugs. So what can you do to stop all this dry, flaky skin on the tip and on the shaft, on your scrotum and your balls and your backside? Well, what you can do is kill off this stuff without damaging your immune system. And the way you do that is you use natural plant extracts. Natural plant extracts. And you simply massage just a few drops. Now watch this, you just massage a few drops onto your shaft and it kills off the fungus that's causing the dry flaky skin on contact. So you massage it onto the tip of your penis, you massage it all over the shaft, you just leave it on. It's absorbed into your skin. It's very pleasant smelling. It doesn't look. In fact, it'll improve the look of your skin immediately on your penis. Immediately. It's absorbed in. It won't interfere with your sex life. It won't interfere with it anyway. Massage it onto your scrotum. And can you see what's happening? You only have to massage these plant extracts on 3 times a day. And normally within 2 days, that's what you've got. A clean penis. Fresh looking skin, the fungus has gone. Just keep using it every couple of days and eventually the fungus is gone, it can't come back, and away you go. So that's how you get rid of dry flaky skin on your penis. Click the link below the video to find out more.